Rain chains, also known as kusari doi, are an elegant alternative to traditional downspouts, guiding rainwater down from your roof in a beautiful and functional way. Originating from Japan, these decorative chains have gained popularity worldwide for their aesthetic appeal and practical function, especially in regions prone to heavy rainfall. If you live in an area with intense storms or torrential downpours, finding a durable and efficient rain chain is essential. Number 1. Brass Flower Rain Chain. The brass flower rain chain is a classic and stylish choice for heavy rainfall. Crafted from high-quality brass, this rain chain is designed to handle substantial amounts of water while maintaining its structural integrity. The chain features flower-shaped cups that collect rainwater and channel it down the chain in a smooth, continuous flow. The material's natural weathering process adds a rustic charm that enhances the aesthetics of your outdoor space over time. Perfect for regions with heavy rain, this rain chain combines durability with beauty, making it a great choice for your home or garden. Key features. Material: made of premium brass, ensuring long-lasting durability and strength to withstand heavy rain. Design: features a series of flower-shaped cups, which not only help direct water flow but also add an elegant and traditional touch to your garden. Weather resistance: the brass develops a beautiful patina over time, offering resistance to the elements and aging gracefully. Size: with a total length of around 8 feet, the chain can be adjusted to fit your desired length, making it ideal for various home setups. Functionality: it directs rainwater effectively down the chain, preventing water overflow or damage to your gutters or foundation. Easy installation: the rain chain comes with a top hook for quick and hassle-free installation on most roofs or gutters. Why it's great for heavy rain. Its robust brass construction and effective water flow mechanism make it perfect for handling heavy rainstorms. The cup design helps disperse the water evenly, avoiding clogs or overflow. Number 2. Copper Lotus Rain Chain. The Copper Lotus rain chain offers a beautiful fusion of nature and functionality, perfect for heavy rainfall. The design mimics the delicate petals of a lotus flower, creating a stunning water feature as rainwater cascades down the cups. Copper, known for its corrosion resistance and strength, ensures this rain chain can withstand even the heaviest storms. Over time, the copper develops a natural patina, which only adds to its charm. This rain chain is perfect for homeowners looking for an environmentally friendly solution to manage heavy rainfall without compromising on beauty. Key features. Material: crafted from high-quality copper, providing excellent corrosion resistance and long-term durability in all weather conditions. Lotus design: the chain features lotus-shaped cups, which not only direct water efficiently but also create an eye-catching visual element in your garden or yard. Corrosion resistance: copper is naturally resistant to rust and wear, ensuring a long life even in the face of heavy rain or humidity. Size: at 8 feet long, the rain chain is perfect for taller houses or locations that experience significant rain accumulation. Eco-friendly: copper is a sustainable material that naturally develops a green patina over time, further reducing environmental impact. Easy setup: includes a top hook for convenient installation, making it ideal for DIY homeowners. Why it's great for heavy rain. The copper material and deep cups are built to manage substantial amounts of rain. The flow is smooth and even, reducing the risk of water splashing or overflowing during intense downpours. Number 3. Aluminum Bell Rain Chain. The aluminum bell rain chain features a sleek, minimalist design that complements modern homes. With bell-shaped cups, this rain chain allows rainwater to flow smoothly and elegantly. Aluminum is lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for homeowners who need a strong yet easy-to-install solution. The rain chain channels water without splashing, keeping your yard clean and dry. Its durability and functionality make it a great choice for areas with heavy rainfall. Plus, the aluminum construction ensures that it won't rust or corrode over time, maintaining its appearance and function for years to come. Key features. Material: made from durable aluminum, the rain chain is resistant to rust, corrosion, and discoloration. Bell design: the bell-shaped cups allow water to flow gently down the chain, creating a calming and soothing water feature during rainstorms. Weatherproof: aluminum is an excellent choice for harsh weather conditions, offering resistance to both heavy rains and intense heat. Size: the chain is 8 feet in length, suitable for a variety of homes, including those with larger roofs or gutters. Low maintenance: aluminum requires minimal upkeep and retains its sleek look even after years of use. Easy installation: comes with a top hook and is easy to set up, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned DIY enthusiasts. Why it's great for heavy rain. The bell design helps break up the water flow, preventing clogs and ensuring that large volumes of rain can be channeled effectively. Its lightweight yet sturdy aluminum construction makes it ideal for rainy regions. Number 4. Stainless steel spiral rain chain. The stainless steel spiral rain chain is a modern twist on the traditional rain chain design. Featuring spiral-shaped cups, this rain chain allows rainwater to spiral down with a mesmerizing effect. Stainless steel is known for its strength and resistance to corrosion, making this chain a perfect choice for heavy rain. The unique spiral design not only enhances the water flow but also adds a dynamic visual element to your home's exterior. This rain chain is designed to handle large volumes of water, making it an excellent choice for areas that experience frequent storms or heavy rainfall. Key features. Material: made from high-quality stainless steel, providing superior durability and rust resistance for long-lasting performance. Spiral design: the innovative spiral shape helps guide rainwater efficiently, preventing overflow and directing it down in a smooth, steady stream. Corrosion resistant: stainless steel is resistant to rust, ensuring that the rain chain maintains its structural integrity and aesthetic appeal over time. Size: with an 8-foot length, it is perfect for a variety of home designs, especially those with high or steep roofs. Weather resistance: built to withstand all types of weather, including heavy rain, snow, and intense sunlight. Easy installation: the rain chain comes with a simple installation hook that attaches easily to your existing gutter system. Why it's great for heavy rain. The spiral design not only helps direct water but also creates a beautiful and efficient flow, ensuring that heavy rain is channeled smoothly down the chain without causing damage or splashing. Number 5. Cast iron traditional rain chain. The cast iron traditional rain chain combines the durability of cast iron with traditional Japanese design. The chain features robust cups that resemble traditional Japanese lanterns, making it not just functional, but a beautiful addition to your garden. Cast iron is perfect for heavy rain as it can withstand large amounts of water without warping or breaking. Over time, cast iron develops a patina, adding an antique look to your outdoor space. This rain chain is especially suited for those looking for a traditional yet sturdy solution for managing rainfall. Key features. Material: made of high-quality cast iron, offering exceptional strength and durability to handle the heaviest rainfall. Traditional design: the chain features lantern-shaped cups, which are traditional in Japanese rain chain design and bring an elegant touch to any garden or home. Durability: cast iron is highly resistant to wear, and it ages beautifully over time, developing a rustic patina. Size: with an 8-foot length, it provides ample coverage for most homes, especially those in areas with heavy rainfall. Weather resistance: cast iron's ability to handle heavy water flow without damage makes it perfect for stormy weather. Easy setup: comes with a convenient hook for quick installation, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Why it's great for heavy rain. The cast iron construction is solid enough to handle even the most intense rainfall, while the cups provide a smooth, controlled water flow to prevent overflow. Conclusion. When it comes to managing heavy rain, a well-designed rain chain is a functional yet aesthetic solution. Whether you prefer the classic elegance of brass, the environmental benefits of copper, or the modern sleekness of stainless steel, there's a rain chain for every home and every type of rainfall. The products listed here from Aliexpress are designed to handle large volumes of water efficiently, while adding beauty and charm to your outdoor space. Make sure to choose a rain chain that matches your home style and the severity of rainfall in your area, ensuring a long-lasting and functional addition to your exterior.